Rayman Can, today I have something that's really cool for the working person out there, right? This is by Lanon. It's in this bag right here. Let me show you what it is. First off, it comes with a pretty cool bag, right? Carrying bag. 2 straps. You can actually put these around your arms. Acts as a backpack. You have 2 cord locks, one on each side. Let me go ahead and take it out of the bag. It is a carbon fiber hard hat. We have some instructions here. We have some pretty cool stickers. And check this thing out. Full carbon fiber. This is the material that they put inside of supercars like Lamborghini Aventadors, Corvette ZR1s. Very lightweight and very, very strong. So cool. On the bottom, you have an unfinished carbon fiber look, a washable sweatband, a 6-point ratchet suspension, a soft head pad, oversized ratcheting fitment system, and multi-point adjustment. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and put this hard hat on and transfer myself into a real work environment. So the biggest takeaway for me wearing this thing for about 8 hours is that it's very, very lightweight and very comfortable. And by it having this really cool look, it gets a lot of attention. So that has been a look at the Lanon carbon fiber hard hat. For more information on this product or to purchase this product, I will put an Amazon affiliate link in the description. Take care. I'll see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching.